Hi, I'm Steve Jones and I'm going to tell you a little about multiplying and dividing expressions. First of all, multiplying. We have two expressions here, x squared and x cubed. We want to multiply those two expressions together. Because they are x squared is x times x and x cubed is x times x times x, we call these numbers indices, and we can multiply these together by adding the indices. So x squared times x cubed is x, add the indices, 2 plus 3, which is x to the power 5. So I've added the indices and I get x to the power 5. So this is x to the 5th. I can do the same here. But I have to be careful because I've got numbers. So I have to first multiply the numbers together. 5 times 6 is 30. And then x times x squared. Well, the index on x is x to the power 1. So it's in fact x to the power 3. 2 plus 1 makes 3. And the final one here, 4y times 3x. Y and x are separate variables, but the numbers can be multiplied together to give me 12. 4 times 3 gives me 12. Times y times x. So that is multiplying expressions. Dividing expressions is not entirely different. Here I got x to the 5th divided by x cubed. So I can write it in this way, x to the 5th divided by x cubed. And in fact, division is we subtract the indices. This is the same as x to the 5, the one on top first, minus 3, the one below. And this equals x squared. Right, with 6xy divided by 2y, we have to separate things out. So 6 times x times y, and we'll divide it by 2 times y. As you see, we've got y on top and bottom, they cancel. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so I'm left with 3x. So that is the result there. With 4x squared, I've got 4x squared. And then on the bottom, I've got x times y. So the y stays because there's no y on the top. There's no numbers on the bottom. The 4 stays. So we get 4. Now I've got x squared on the top and x to the 1. So this will be just x because it's x to the 2 minus 1. And then on the bottom, I've got y. And that equals 4x over y. So as you can see, we can soon simplify two equations, multiplying or dividing, and this routine way will give us a single expression from any two expressions divided or multiplied.